Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. I'm Payman Ansari. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use a model that you have already built for prediction on a new dataset. To do so, I use a neural network model that I built for classification on fashion MNIST dataset. This is the model, and you can find the link of the video in description. And I assume that this model is the model that I want to use in production. First, let's remove the performance calculations because I don't need them. And second, let's bring a data set that I want to use for prediction. So this is a new data set and model has not seen it before. In order to predict the output on this data, I can simply apply this neural network model on the data set. This would not give the right prediction because we built the neural network on normalized data. This new data set should be normalized before feeding it to the model and then apply the model. Actually, whatever pre-process you do on training data should be done on the new data set as well. To do that, I use an operator called group models. Let's bring group models operator into the process panel. And I connect first normalize and then the deep learning model. And now if I apply this to the new data set, it means that I normalize the data first and then apply the neural network. Now I can apply these group models on the data set that I have. In order to do that, I bring the apply model operator here and connect it with the data set as well as the model that I have. And now I can see the prediction if I run the process. Let's run it. And this is my prediction. For each rows of the data that I have, I see the prediction as well. So I have each row for each image and the prediction that the model gives me.